Tired of limitations? Ready to unleash your creativity and build incredible things? Then get ready for the Two Trees TTC6050 CNC Engraving Machine. Tired of limitations? Ready to unleash your creativity and build incredible things? Then get ready for the Two Trees TTC6050 CNC Engraving Machine. This isn't just another engraving machine. The TTC6050 boasts a massive 600 by 500 by 100 millimeter working area, giving you the space to create truly ambitious projects. Its high-precision linear guide drive and ball screw ensure incredibly accurate engravings every single time. And with compatibility for a wide range of materials, from wood and acrylic to even aluminum and copper, the possibilities are endless. But precision isn't everything. Safety is paramount. That's why the TTC6050 includes an infrared beam sensor for immediate shutdown in case of obstruction, plus a convenient spindle stop button for safe tool changes. Your safety and peace of mind are built in. And with its upgradable design, easily adding a laser module or trimmer sold separately, the TTC50 grows with your skills. It's the ultimate investment for hobbyists and professionals alike. But this incredible offer won't last. For the next 10 seconds, you can get an exclusive discount on the Two Trees TTC6050. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your crafting game. Click the link below to order your Two Trees TTC CNC engraving machine now and unleash your creative potential. Supplies are limited, so don't wait.